2025 has arrived with a revolution on wheels, and its name is the Tesla Semi. What was once a futuristic idea is now a roaring electric titan, dominating American highways. Today, we are diving deep into every angle, every feature, and every hidden detail of Tesla's most powerful commercial vehicle ever. From its aerodynamic shape to its unmatched torque, the Semi is not just a truck. It's the future of long-haul transportation. Whether you're a trucker, fleet owner, or EV enthusiast, this 2025 review will tell you everything you need to know. And trust me, the details will surprise you. Let's start with its stunning exterior. The Tesla Semi 2025 looks nothing like a traditional diesel truck. Its sharp curves, smooth lines, and bullet-like front end cut through the air with astonishing efficiency. Tesla claims the drag coefficient is even lower than a Bugatti. And honestly, you're not surprised when you look at it. Everything is built with one goal: reduce air resistance, increase range. The wraparound windshield offers a panoramic view, and the steeply sloped nose gives the truck a fighter jet-like appearance. LED matrix headlights sit low and aggressive, while the sculpted side panels hide the huge battery packs. This is not just design. It's engineering disguised as art. Open the door and step inside, and suddenly, you're not in a truck, you're in a spaceship. The driver's seat sits at the center, Formula One style, giving unmatched visibility. Two massive touchscreens flank the steering wheel, controlling everything from navigation to cameras to fleet monitoring. There are no analog dials, no clutter, no outdated controls, just a sleek digital cockpit designed for maximum focus and comfort. Tesla has also refined the interior materials for 2025, soft touch textures, quiet cabin insulation, and improved air filtration make long-haul driving feel like traveling in a luxury sedan. Storage compartments, wireless charging pads, and adjustable seating complete the futuristic vibe. Now let's talk power, because this is where the Tesla Semi completely destroys traditional diesel competition. The 2025 model features 3 independent electric motors, delivering instant torque, zero lag, zero vibration. Even fully loaded, this monster can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 20 seconds, something no diesel truck could even dream of. On flat highways, the truck uses only one motor to conserve energy. When climbing steep grades, all motors activate, providing unstoppable pull. The result? Smooth, consistent performance without gear shifting or engine strain. This is an entirely new driving experience. Silent, strong, and shockingly fast. Range is the heart of electric trucking. And Tesla didn't disappoint. The Tesla Semi 2025 offers up to 500 miles on a single charge. With new battery improvements, it maintains stable performance even in cold weather. But the real highlight is Megacharging. With a Tesla Megacharger, the Semi regains up to 70% battery in just 30 minutes. That means drivers spend less time waiting and more time moving. These numbers don't just beat past EV trucks, they challenge diesel trucks too. For fleet owners, this means lower fuel costs, predictable charging expenses, and higher daily mileage. The 2025 Semi is one of the safest trucks ever built. Equipped with Tesla's advanced Autopilot system, it monitors lanes, traffic, blind spots, and braking almost entirely on its own. Multiple exterior cameras replace traditional mirrors, feeding real-time video to the cabin screens. This gives drivers 360-degree awareness, emergency braking, lane holding, collision prediction. Everything is automated, precise, and constantly learning. For long-haul truckers, this reduces fatigue and increases safety by a huge margin. One of the biggest reasons companies are switching to the Tesla Semi is cost. Electric motors require almost no maintenance, and electricity is cheaper than diesel, especially for fleet charging stations. Tesla claims the Semi can save over $200,000 in fuel costs alone across 1 million miles. There are no oil changes, no transmission repairs, no engine problems. Brake wear is dramatically reduced thanks to regenerative braking. This isn't just a truck, it's a long-term financial upgrade. Driving the Tesla Semi is a surreal experience. Turn the wheel, and the truck feels unbelievably light. There's no engine rumble, no gear shifts, no delay, only pure electric smoothness. The instant torque makes highway merging effortless. The regenerative braking system means you barely touch the brake pedal. Truckers who've tested it say it feels more like driving a giant luxury SUV than a heavy semi-truck. The cabin remains whisper quiet even at 70 mph turns. And the raised central seat gives a commanding, almost cinematic view of the road. So, is the Tesla Semi 2025 worth it? Absolutely. It's not just a milestone for EVs, it's a turning point for the entire trucking industry. With unmatched range, insane torque, futuristic interior, and industry-leading safety features, the Semi proves that the future of transportation is electric, powerful, and sustainable. Whether you're a business owner looking to cut expenses or a trucking enthusiast fascinated by innovation, the Tesla Semi stands as one of the most important vehicles of the decade. This truck doesn't just move cargo, it moves the industry forward. And that was the full breakdown of the Tesla Semi 2025, the electric beast. That's not just shaping the future of trucking, but rewriting it. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful machine reviews right here on Road Titans. We'll see you again on the open highway, where engines roar, innovation leads, and legends are built mile by mile. Until next time, drive safe, stay powerful, and remember, this is Road Titans, where the road never ends and the Titans always rise.
Thank you.